National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Nash County, east central Wake County, central Franklin County, until 5:45 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Zebulon, Bunn, Castalia, and Pilot. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Nash, and Wake.